it's Amia and Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look in 15 minutes using mostly e.l.f. products, and also I'm going to show you how I got this little top bun. So I originally, and you're going to see in the beginning of the video, my hair was out. I had some clip-ins in my hair and it was just too hot for me, so I had to change my hair up, and I kind of like it. I don't know, I feel like a little bun head or Cindy Lee who, I don't know. But this is what I'm going to be rocking today. So if you wanted to see how I got this quick, easy makeup routine using e.l.f. products in less than 15 minutes, and also how I did my little top knot. Doing my hair took longer than doing my makeup, honestly. But alright, y'all, keep watching. I don't have any e.l.f. skincare products, so I already use a moisturizer on my face, and I have oily skin. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. This is one of my favorite face primer. So usually I'll do my foundation first and I'll do my eyebrows last, but you know, I'm gonna do like I usually do, yeah. So let's go in with the foundation. My first time trying this foundation, my first time trying all these e.l.f. products except for their brow gel. Foundation I'll be using today is Flawless Satin Foundation, and it says it's a medium coverage and oil free, and I'll be using shade Caramel. I'll be using my damp beauty blender to apply the foundation. Please let this be the right shade for me. Let's see. Okay, look a little dark. Yeah, look a little dark. Let's just see. Okay, e.l.f., I see you. And it's a medium coverage, so not mad at it. I usually like full coverage foundations, but that's fine. I'll just apply 2 layers. This is 1 layer. I think it looked pretty good. It's not full coverage, it's a medium coverage, so I'm gonna go in certain areas, like on the side of my cheek. I can still see my dark marks. So the concealer I'll be using is the 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It's full coverage. It's a matte finish, and I'll be using the shade Deep Chestnut. I'm gonna use it as a highlight. It almost looks like my skin complexion, but okay, cool. This is matte, and I'm scared to let it get tacky, but usually what I've been doing with my concealers, I've been letting it sit on my face for a minute, go ahead and do my eyebrows and my lashes. But I'm scared that since it's a matte concealer, it might not be easy to blend out if I let it sit on my face for too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out now. Come on, e.l.f., where have I been? And I would not consider this a highlighter. This is more my skin complexion, I would say. But that's cool. I already put it everywhere that I would usually highlight though. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, y'all. Where have I been? What is wrong with me? Okay, so I'm just setting my under eye area. For my eyebrows, I'll be using e.l.f. pomade in the shade Espresso. And as you see, I used it a lot because this is my favorite product. So I like to grab a little bit of the product, not a lot. Then I'll take the top and make sure I get any extra off the brush, and just watch me. It's really, really easy. So I just trace my natural line, my natural brow. Grab a spoolie. Okay, I think that's it. my blush, I'm going to use Bite Size Face Dual in the shade Lychee. Very pretty. I'm not going to use the highlighter in this pack, I don't think. I'm going to use a metallic flare highlighter with white gold. Ready. Girl, it was too hot for all that hair, so I took out the clip-ins and I'm getting ready to show y'all how I put my hair up into this little top knot bun situation, and these are the products that I use. For the summertime now. I don't know if I would. I don't know. I do live for a nice bun, but I don't know. I feel like I got my hair looking all big. So do y'all like my makeup and my little bun situation? Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.